Okay.
What about the name, RADAAR?
Actually, the idea came from, the radar sending some signals and receiving some signals, and at the end, it's visualizing the result to track what's going on around, and the name came from that idea.
I see. Okay. I will let you present yourself first.
Okay, I'm Mustafa Ercan from Istanbul, Turkey, and I'm the founder of RADAAR, which is social media management platform. I have 20 plus years experience in digital marketing, especially websites and developing applications. And right now, for last 1 year, I only focused on RADAAR to make it a great product.
Okay. Manage all your social media accounts in one place. You mean all? So Facebook, Instagram, or just the business-oriented ones?
Okay. Right now we support all major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Vimeo, YouTube, etc. But it's not enough for us, and it's not enough for our community. We are planning to bring a lot of support for other platforms also, like WordPress, Pinterest, you can imagine all of them. Actually, after that point, we will start to call us not social media management platform. Instead of that, we will start to call us like a community and content management platform after that point.
I see. Okay. It's a product for startups, or also could be a good for a big company also?
Actually, in the very beginning of RADAAR, we start to develop this product just thinking agencies. But after very short time later, we figure out also other people need this. Right now, our ideal customer profiles like small businesses, startups, medium-sized businesses, agencies, and also enterprise companies.
Okay. What about the price? To be honest with you, when I find that the smallest price is $2.99 per month, it's kind of a joke or something.
Actually, we are always trying to find the balance about our pricing policy. That one is just like tester. Before that, 1 month before, it was free because we are in the red ocean. We have like 100 competitors in the market, and a lot of them giving some free testers, free accounts, very limited one. Also, we do that, but right now it's really hard to turn the free users to paid users. That is why we decided to try very little prices. Right now we are trying that, but I think we are going too fast. I mean, the quality of the product and possibilities of the products. Right now, prices look like so cheap for these products. But for the first year, we because we are new and we needed a competition strategy. And we choose the way to compete with pricing strategy, cheap pricing. Does it make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense. I was thinking, with $3 you cannot buy a good ice cream these days. Yeah. That's why I asked. It's very cheap. Yeah. What are the key features?
Okay, should I share my screen?
You can feel free to share the screen. It's a button on the left side.
Okay, yeah. First, let me explain about our pricing policy, pricing model. Actually, we have a little bit interesting pricing model. You can't find on our competitors. The idea was like this: we have a small package, a small subscription plan. It's very cheap, but it's also very limited. If you need more features, you can upgrade your plan. Or if you don't any features but need more resources, you can customize each plan according to your needs. And you only pay what you need. I think this is the giving to flexibility and freedom to our users. We like the idea. I hope all our users also like this. Okay, and if I have to continue with our features, we have a lot of features because we start to develop RADAAR with this idea. We will be all-in-one solution because we figure out that there are a lot of products on the market and they are good at something, but it's not enough for users. For example, you can find a lot of good product only have scheduler, but there is no social inbox, or there is no social monitoring, or there is no task manager. And we see this is a problem for users, and we decided to make RADAAR all-in-one. This was a hard decision and hard way to choose. Maybe some people think we choose the wrong way, but at this moment we can see it's a good way for us. In short, we have scheduler. I will explain later detailedly. We have a social inbox which you can connect your all social media platforms and you can manage all incoming messages from this feature. We have a social monitoring. You can set up some keywords, you can set up some queries, and you can watch the social media, what people are talking about. And we have analytics. You can create meaningful reports and you can follow your results of your works. Also, you can collaborate with your teammates, colleagues via our platform. We have a simple Kanban board, like a Trello. We called it Task Manager. And also we have a simple password vault. You can store your passwords very securely and you can share with your teammates very easily. And we have a URL shortener inbuilt. You don't have to use another tool. These are the main features, but we have a lot of minor features inside these main features. Do you have any questions?
Yes. What are the main social media accounts people use? The top 5 people use when they use RADAAR.
Okay, it depends on the company because, for example, for startups, LinkedIn is startups mostly using LinkedIn and Instagram, but for boutique business, like if you can think like some jewelry makers, they only care about Instagram. And if bigger companies, medium size and enterprise companies, they all care about all platforms, not a specific one. For example, some YouTubers only care about YouTube. That's all, not the rest. Yeah. I can't give exactly number right now. I have to should check, but this is the demography for our users.
I don't find TikTok.
Yeah, there's no TikTok right now. I hope we will bring that, because also TikTok is still working to make their APIs more flexible and more open. I'm not sure they already opened. Maybe it's just their partners right now. But we want to bring the TikTok also.
I see.
Let me show you what we are planning. Just a second. I will open an illustration. Just a second. Yeah. We got a lot of early birds, and they are really good about giving feedback to us. And after their feedbacks, we create a vision for Radar. And as you can see right now, we support Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Vimeo, and Google. And in the very near future, we will start to support Pinterest, WordPress, TikTok, Reddit, custom webhooks, email, WhatsApp. Yeah, it's going like this.
Wow. Also WhatsApp.
Yeah, we want to support WhatsApp, but you know, we have a lot of dependency to platforms because we are official developer all these platforms. It means we are making some agreements with them, and we are applying their permission, and we are waiting some response. This can take time. That is why. Yeah, these will not come in next month, but in the end, we will able to support all these platforms. That is our aim, our goal.
Fantastic.
Yeah. If you like, I can go with more deeply with features.
Yeah. You can show us how it works.
Yeah, basically, when you sign up to Radar, you reach these cool dashboards. We like the UI. I hope also our users like it. And first thing, you should connect your social media profiles to Radar. And for that, you are going to settings and channels, and you can connect your social media profiles very quickly, like 3 clicks. And after connecting your profiles, you can invite your teammates, and you can give some permissions according to features, like which user will access which feature. After that point, you can start to use the Radar. And what you can do, as I mentioned, we have a social inbox, and you can see all these messages coming from. Sorry?
From all the messages from all the social media accounts.
Yeah, if platform supports it, because some platforms doesn't support. For example, let me explain. Sorry. For example, Vimeo supports the inbox and monitoring and publishing feature. But for example, Facebook group doesn't support the monitoring feature, or for example, LinkedIn is only support the inbox, publishing, scheduler, and analytics. Not the, it depends the platforms, and it depends the type of the profile. But mainly we support all platforms. We can say that. And as you can see, this feature is designed exactly like an inbox. You can filter your messages, conversations according to single channel or according to source and or its type. And you can easily see the details of the conversation, and you can easily answer that cool. Also, you can take benefits of quick replies. You can set up some templates, and you can use them. For example, let's say this one, and you can send this. And also, you can mark this conversation like positive or negative, and you can take some reports in the end of the day. Yeah, this is the basically inbox. There's another feature we called it social media monitoring. It looks like inbox, but the function is totally different. In this feature, you create some queries, like let's say Alex, and choose the channels. Which channels do you want to track these keywords, and choose the language, for example, English and Italian. And if you create this keyword, RADAAR start to track these keywords on these platforms and bringing the results to you. And again, you can see the results, you can take some actions, and you can mark them like positive, negative. And you can all manage these results again like an inbox. Another feature is called scheduler. Basically, you have a calendar here, and you can create some content in here, and you can choose which channel do you want to publish this content. For example, Facebook group, Facebook page, Instagram, and let's say LinkedIn and Twitter. Then you can choose the type of the content, like image, video, gallery, etc. And also you can upload the media from your computer, or you can design with Canva. It's we already integrated with Canva and Crello, and you can very easily design your contents and import to RADAAR. And we have a lot of details, minor features here. You can follow the character counts, and you can make add locations, you can add first comment here. And when you approve this, RADAAR take it to processing, and like 1 minute later, it will be published all your selected profiles. It's already published
in all the different social media platforms.
Yeah, it's already published, less than 1 minute. Yeah, as you can see.
Sorry,
yeah.
What about the dimension? So I know the dimension on the, let's say, Instagram post is different than Facebook post.
Yeah, actually, right now, RADAAR is optimizing your media according to each platform regulations. For example, if you upload a video longer than 1 minute, RADAAR it's automatically crop it to 1 minute to publish to Instagram, because Instagram limits is 1 minute. RADAAR is automatically optimize these images according to platforms regulations. If your media is still not reliable for platform, RADAAR gives an error, like say that I couldn't publish it, you should manually publish it, because media is not supported by channel.
So but the RADAAR will said, hey, I just save you 99 of the entire process. You just need to do a little bit of work, manual work.
Actually, it's a very less situation. You don't have, for example, let me show our actual. This is an actual this is a test account. For example, as you can see, we use the RADAAR, our own product, to manage our own social media. And as you can see, there is no problem for all months. It's let's say you don't face that problem. It's only for very specific situations.
I see. What about analytics?
Okay, let me check about that. Yeah, we are still working on analytics, but the idea is like that. You can create unlimited boards. You can think like boards, pages. And for example, I'm creating a new one for demo, let's say. And when you create a board, you have a empty board, and then you can design your own according your own needs by choosing the pre-ready widgets. For example, I can put Facebook views, and then I can put near that Instagram views, and I can put also, let's say, LinkedIn views. And I can always change the order, and yeah, let's say, yeah, move this one first. This is the idea. You can create some boards and you can design it according to your needs. But we are still working on to bring more widgets to here to make you create more meaningful reports.
You can also change the password.
Which password?
From the accounts from RADAAR, or you don't have access?
I didn't understand your question. What do you mean?
With RADAAR, we can also manage the password of our social media account.
Okay. I got it. We have a passbook. We called it passbook. It works like this because we figure out a lot of people storing their social media profiles password in like spreadsheets, and you know it's not so safe. And if you are working as a team, it's really hard to manage it. And we bring a feature to solve this problem. This is a completely optional feature. You don't have to use the other features. When you enter this feature first time, RADAAR asks you to create a master password. This master password doesn't store in our database. You don't have to lose it and you don't have to forget it. If you forget, there's no way to recover. And after creating your master password, you should unlock every time when you try to access this feature. And when you unlock this feature, you can create records. And when you create records, you can put your information related with this account, like the registered email, username, and the password. As you can see, passwords are stored encrypted with your master password and also our encryption methodology. Only you can see this password, click this decrypt button. And when you click it, you can see the original passwords. And also there's a viewing history, versioning history. If you made some changes here, you can always store the previous version. And also there's a viewing history. You can follow which teammate, how many times viewed these passwords. That was the idea for Passbook.
Yeah, oh, very good. Utilities?
We are planning to bring a lot of features, and we don't want to make this menu so crowded. That is why we are collecting some additional features under the utilities. For example, URL shortener, one of them. And URL shortener is works like Bitly or other URL shorteners. You can create some links and you can take the short version of it. Also, if you like, you can connect your own custom domain by redirecting the domain to our system. And then you can create some QR codes for making offline campaigns, like putting on the product, physical product. Yeah, and this feature also working very integrated with inbox and scheduler. What does that mean? When you share a link inside the inbox with your audience, it's automatically shortened here, and you can always follow the clicking counts, and you can always change the URL to destination URL after sharing your link. It's same for scheduler. Yeah, that's the basically what is the URL shortener.
I see. Yeah, it's not very complicated to use it. Yeah.
Yeah. Also, we have task manager. You can call it very simple Trello. Yeah, to be honest, it's not complex like Trello or Jira. But if you need so basic one, this is the works we are also using. You can create unlimited boards. Let's say test boards, demo boards. And after creating demo boards, you can create some lists according to your project, maybe according to your departments or status of your tasks. And then you can create some tasks to these, let's say this one, and you can always change the status according to your list.
Like Trello, like you just...
Yeah, exactly. This feature works independently from these features. It means you can invite your colleagues, but you don't want to give permission for these features. You only want to give permission for task manager.
I see.
Yeah, that's all. That's all for right now. But we have a lot of ideas and dreams about to develop RADAAR more. Also, we have very transparent roadmap. We like this roadmap because we get a lot of suggestion from our current users. We call them our community, and they make their suggestions and they rate them, and we decide to which one we should focus right now. And yeah, it's a good way to communicate with our community.
This is the best way from my point of view, because they use the product, they know better than us.
Yeah, exactly.
We need to offer them. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. We really believe from our hearts to being user-centric. Sometimes, for example, some developers ask to product manager, how do you find these ideas? And he replies like that, I'm not finding. Our users tell us.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, this is the secret. Also, we have around 15 to 20, 25,000 active members every single day, because we receive messages from there every single day, and we create also this podcast because they ask us.
Yeah,
it was not our idea.
Yeah. Can I stop my screen share? Yeah, because I want to see you. Okay.
What about an affiliate program?
Yeah.
Have an affiliate program up and running?
Not yet. Actually, we were, but we changed our payment gateway from a local one to Stripe, and at that moment, we paused our affiliate program. But we got a lot of requests about that, and yeah, in the very near future, I think we will reopen that affiliate program again.
Okay, so guys, we also have big affiliates on our community. Wait for RADAAR new affiliate program. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, it's very easy to use. Also, the pricing. I think it's the first time when I see a software that is just $3 per month, and also it's a time-saving tool. Yeah. To be honest, this is a tool that you can do the same stuff manually, but you spend 8 hours in front of the computer. With RADAAR, did you calculate this? You know how many hours?
We calculate that for only for main channel like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can save like 6 hours in month. Yeah, just for publishing, not the replying to messages and following the monitoring. Just for publishing, you can save 6 hours in month.
Wow.
Yeah,
it makes sense. It makes sense. Totally sense.
Yeah, but our brand promise is like, yeah, we giving we give to opportunity to save some time, but also we are trying to help you stay more organized, and we are trying to unlock the collaboration more efficiently for your team. These are our brand promises.
Okay, this is okay. Okay, yeah. How big is the team?
Right now we 8 people, including me, but I think for next month two new teammates will join us. We have 3 developers, 1 business and sales director, 2 marketing person, and 1 support, and 1 some like accounting and other administration thing.
Okay, we will put your website link on the description to let people know, because it's not easy to RADAAR with AA.io is the name of the website, right?
Yeah, because the normal one was like $4,000 for month, the domain, and that is why we put second A.
You know, if you have a very good product and a very good marketing strategy, people will use. It doesn't matter if it's .io, .com, yeah. Yeah,
I think it's also cool. I think people like to being double A. It looks like interesting for people, and yeah, we didn't get any compliments about that.
Thank you very much for what you are doing for the community, and thank you very much for what you are doing for saving time. You save time for a lot of people, and so they can focus on what they want to do.
Yeah, sure. Also, I thank you because you invite us here and you help us to reach more people with your channel. This is also very important and very special for us. Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you very much. I wish you a fantastic day.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye now. Thank you.